So you're ready to tackle that DIY pressure washing project. Maybe you watched a few videos. You saw the guys talking about the ratios of sodium hypochlorite and surfactant. And maybe all that chemistry talk's got your head spinning and you're not sure which way to turn. Well, today I'm going to show you a safe alternative to the chemistry set. It's eco-friendly, safe, pet-friendly. And believe it or not, it's probably already sitting in your kitchen cabinet now. It's cheaper than bleach and just as effective.
I wonder what this guy's talking about.
That's right, folks. Head into your kitchen right now. Get yourself a bottle of white vinegar. And you're going to put that in a spray bottle or a bug sprayer. And you're going to pre-treat whatever you're going to be pressure washing with white vinegar. And if you want to go even stronger, they sell a 30% acidic white vinegar at Home Depot or any local hardware store. So after you spray the white vinegar on the fence or whatever you're pressure washing, you're going to want to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Then you're going to want to come back with the pressure washer. Here I'm using a white 40-degree fan tip. It's a low-pressure tip and it won't damage the wood. I was pretty skeptical about white vinegar and pre-treating for pressure washing, but after this experiment here, I'm sold on it. It actually works really well. So if you want a safe alternative to sodium hypochlorite, bleach, whatever you want to call it, try white vinegar. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like, subscribe, share. And don't forget to stop by my store and find any of the products in today's video. And remember, white vinegar, safe, effective, and eco-friendly. Look at the nice job it did on that fence panel.